Good morning, boys and girls. So today we are making lanterns for our Ramadan day for holidays around the world. So at this point, since you're watching this video, you should have already used your markers to color your lantern. Thank you, Dylan, for coloring my lantern for me this morning. And you should already have seen Miss Wallace to cut your spots out of your lantern. So your lantern should look just like this. So for this next step in our Ramadan lantern process, you are going to need wax paper, bottled glue, a glue stick, scissors, and probably about 15 pieces of tissue paper ripped up into small pieces. And remember, I said to pick 4 colors, so you should have 4 colors. So the first thing that you're going to do is I want you to flip over your lantern so you only see the white side. So you colored one side and the other side should be white. Go ahead and flip that over. And you need to take your glue, mine's stuck, and glue all across the top, all around these little windows in our lantern. Just like I'm doing right now. You can do on the sides too. If you get it on your desk, it's okay. We'll wipe it off later. Put my glue stick back on. And now you are going to lay your wax paper on there and rub it in where all that glue is. This wax paper is what's going to make it look like a sun catcher once we put our tissue paper on it. So after you've glued that down and you've rubbed it in really good, I want you to flip over and you are now going to cut out your lantern and you're going to cut the wax paper with it. So you should only have wax paper here and not hanging out the sides of your lantern. So go ahead and do that. At the very top, you have a little hole. That's where we're gonna put our pin to make it an ornament. But for now, just leave it. We will hole punch it at the very end when I bring around the hole punch. These are a little bit skinny, so be sure not to cut too far in, okay? So it still looks like a lantern. We don't want to break our lantern. All right, so now that mine is cut out, it looks just like a lantern, just like this. I'm gonna flip it over again. So I'm now looking at the back again, and this is when I'm gonna use my bottled glue. And you need to use your bottled glue because when you try to stick a piece of tissue paper on top of a glue stick and rub it around, it kind of starts to disintegrate or break down. So we're not gonna use the glue stick for this. We're gonna save that glue stick. We instead are gonna use bottled glue. So I'm gonna open my bottled glue up. I'm gonna dot just a little tiny bit, and that's even a little bit too much, but see how much I dotted on there? Flip it over and put it on my lantern, on that wax paper. Whoops. I'm gonna switch to a different color. That's just enough. Got some pink in there. Some purple. And you're gonna do this all the way across your lantern. And the reason I kind of said you needed, 10 to 15 pieces was because 1, it depends on how big you ripped your pieces, but 2, how close you put them together, because we really want them to be kind of close together like this so there's no holes or cracks in them. So when you hold them up to the sun or you hang them in the window, because they're gonna be like a sun catcher, remember? The sun shines through all the different colors and doesn't shine through any white pieces. We don't want any white pieces left. Gonna keep going. Oh, I made a mess of that one. Make sure none of your pieces are sticking over the side too. See how that one's sticking over a little bit? I'm gonna move it just a tiny bit so that it's not sticking over our sides. My glue's getting away from me, goodness. It's a lot. So I ripped small pieces, so I kind of needed a lot more than 10 to 15. But some of you guys were ripping big pieces when we practiced yesterday, so I wanted you to conserve it so everyone could have a choice of colors. Almost finished. I'm just going to put some dots here because they're just kind of little places I need to cover up. So there's some. Here's one. Some orange over here. Oh, let's put some, almost put pink here. Last one right here. All right. It looks like a mess on this side, right? It looks like a pretty big mess. But when I flip over, when that glue dries, that is going to be a beautiful sun catcher. We'll put a little hole right here and it'll hang perfect on our Christmas trees for our holiday around the world. So that is how you do your lantern. Good luck.